Tired of being tethered to your phone? Learn how to connect your AirPods Pro to your Ubuntu system and cut those cords. First things first, let's make sure your system is ready for Bluetooth. Open up your terminal. Think of it as the command center. Will be installing some essential Bluetooth packages. Once the terminal is launched, enter the commands for installing Bluetooth packages. Give the command a moment to finish, and then go ahead and enter the next set of commands to install additional packages. With the necessary software installed, it's time to put your AirPods Pro in pairing mode. Open the case lid, that's the key. Next, navigate to your Ubuntu settings and find the Bluetooth option. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to on. This should scan for discoverable devices. Now, you should see your AirPods Pro listed in the available devices. If you do, click on it to initiate the pairing process. Acknowledge any prompts that pop up. Once pair, you should see your AirPods Pro status change to connected. If successful, you can test the AirPods by playing some audio. If you encounter any issues, like a poor audio quality or the AirPods not appearing, consider restarting your Bluetooth and/or your Ubuntu system. You may need to troubleshoot. Double-check the Bluetooth setup menu if your device does not pop up. Congratulations, you've unlocked wireless audio freedom on your Ubuntu machine. Enjoy the crisp sound of your AirPods Pro.